What's up, guys? I wanted to make this quick video just to help out. I found this out. I don't know if you guys had found this out already or not, but for CFR questions, how to kind of decipher. So what they did is Lapware actually kind of did a breakdown. I sent that stuff out on the group text thing, the WhatsApp, that like 6 or 7 pages about the deciphering and how many questions are in the test bank and stuff. So go to review questions, and those are CFR questions. Review questions, and then I'm just going to new safety, and then over here to your license, which is, what is it, 14 BR. So that's you, that's us guys. And then, so I'm in new safety, and I go to question filters and go to the very bottom one, subcategory 3. Go to the very bottom one, click that, and then you see all of this stuff, right? So you have all your CFRs. So if you click just that one and apply, you'll see that that particular one has 19 questions, right? And again, you can still set it up in like training mode where you can, just read the question and read the right answer. Boom, 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 boom. So this is parts 1 through 124, subchapters A through K, and 33 CFR. So I don't know if this will help. And then, once you finish those, you go back over here and you click on this again and go to the next one. And there was 19 there. And of course, we're at school, so, internet is something that we may or may not have. Oh, it's not letting me do it again. That's right. It does a weird shit. Let's try this. Go to another one. New safety. Let's try this. Sorry, this is taking so long. Let's try the second one. Apply. Question ID not found. Oh, maybe that's just there's nothing there. Is that weird? That sounds kind of weird to me. Um, yeah. Anyway, but that's how you kind of get kind of a more direct shot to the CFRs. All right, latest.